How to poke on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to send someone a poke using the Pokes dashboard. First, open the Facebook app on your device. After that, tap on the search icon at the top. From there, type in Pokes and tap Search. At this point, tap on the Pokes banner shown at the top of the results. In the next step, this opens the Pokes dashboard, showing friends you can poke. Following this, search for a specific friend if they're not already shown in the list. Once done, tap on Poke next to their name. From here, they'll receive a notification letting them know you poked them. At this stage, you can also poke someone directly from their profile, since a poke button now appears near the message button. Keep in mind, if a friend doesn't poke you back, you can poke them again after 24 hours, and your poke count with them increases each time you interact this way. Finally, check the Pokes dashboard anytime to see who's poked you and respond back. And that's it. If this guide helped you poke on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.